Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Check settings, battery, and note current health and screen on time. Once done, install a small battery monitoring app to log discharge patterns. Make sure it's reputable and under 10 MB to avoid extra load. Now calibrate the battery by charging to a full 100% and then using the phone until it reaches about 10%. This gives baseline data. Do this step first because accurate measurements guide the rest of the optimization process. Next, you cut the biggest drains. Start by restricting background activity for infrequently used apps via Settings apps and apply background restriction. This prevents hidden wake locks. Then tune the display, switch to 60 Hz if available, set brightness to around 50% 70%, and turn off adaptive brightness for consistent consumption. Also create battery saver rules to throttle CPU and limit sync intervals, and specifically restrict or uninstall persistent high drain apps. These targeted changes reduce wear and improve daily endurance. To finish, adopt habits that preserve capacity over months. Charge with the original charger or a certified USB PD brick at moderate speeds rather than forcing frequent fast charges, and avoid exposing the phone to extreme temperatures. Try to keep it between 0 and 35 degrees Celsius. Make a habit of partial charging, top up to 80% when convenient, and recalibrate every 2 to 3 months. If you encounter unexpected drain, boot into safe mode to isolate a rogue app. That single troubleshooting tip will often reveal the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.